Best security cameras ideas for a gated community. Are you looking for the best security cameras for your gated community? Nexlar got you covered. Nexlar, we provide security cameras and proactive cameras to keep your gated community safe and secure. We can maintain, service, and install security cameras, access control, gates, and fences for your community. Benefits of consulting with Nexlar for your gated community. Our security cameras installers are gated community experts. We implement the right security cameras for your community to save money, increase security and minimize your HOA liability. Security cameras technology we use for most gated communities. Proactive security cameras can alert when someone is on the pool after hours or in a restricted area. Virtual security guards decrease physical security cost and is more efficient. License plate cameras open the gate for your residents and guests while keeping track of everyone who enters the community. The right camera system solves your HOA problems. While some difficulties will always exist, the HOA gate systems will track who comes and goes. Decrease security cost, protect your gated entrances, protect your pool. Monitoring your cameras, you can connect security cameras to a cutting-edge monitoring station. Our virtual security guards can open gates for residents and notify police when some enter a restricted area. How Nexlar can help. Our expert installation crew adheres to a strict installation standard to ensure a timely and high-quality job. Some tips for success. Our staff of security camera installers has been trained to ensure that your CCTV camera system is properly installed and programmed. Try the Nexlar Security app for convenience. We make it simple for you at Nexlar Security by placing the power and security at your fingertips. Call us now. We are here to assist you and make the process of installing security cameras much simpler and worry-free.